Imagine living in a 200-acre of prestige township where luxury, lifestyle and daily convenience exist in one entrance. This is Prestige Eden Park at the Prestige City, located in Sarjapur East, Bangalore by Prestige Group. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of Prestige Eden Park, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. And right now we are here on the actual site of the project, so let me show you the surrounding. So I'm standing exactly in front of the marketing office. So the marketing office is right over here, where you can check out the miniature, the 3D model and even the model flat. And just behind me is the entrance for our marketing office, which will lead you towards the main entrance of our township. And the Prestige Eden Park land parcel is just behind me where the construction work is in progress. Now I know you guys are wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee, unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. And Prestige Eden Park is spread across 7 acres of land parcel, consisting of 4 residential towers, each rising from 2 basement ground plus 28 floors and 37 floors, offering you 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium homes. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located on Sarjapur Road in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing near the land parcel of Prestige Eden Park, and just behind me is the land parcel where the construction work is in progress. Now this road will take you towards the main entrance for our township and will connect you towards the Sarjapur Road. Now about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect to Ambalipura Sarjapur Road in just 1.6 kilometers away. D-Mart is 4 kilometers and Azim Premji University, that is just 6 kilometers away from our project. Coming to the amenities part, and this project offers you luxurious world-class amenities like of a grand clubhouse as Eden Club with infinity pool, indoor amenities. You get amphitheater, multi-purpose court, skywalk and many more luxurious amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area, and this project offers you 3 and 4 BHK premium homes, where 3 BHK starts from 1732 to 2086 square feet super built-up area, 4 BHK of 2458 to 2786 square feet super built-up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail with project 3D models. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of Prestige Eden Park at the Prestige City by Prestige Group, located in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. If you're looking for more details of the project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.